Happy morning, students. Today I am going to teach about the new chapter, third chapter, ratio and proportion. Ratio and proportion. Ratio, in our daily life, we handle lots of situations where we compare quantities. Comparison of our heights, weights, marks occurred in examinations, speeds of vehicles, distance traveled, auto fare to taxi fare, bank balance at the different periods of time, and many more things are done. Comparison is usually between quantities of the same kind and not to be different kind. Comparison is usually between quantities of the same kind and not of different kind. It will not be meaningful to compare the height of the person which is the age of the another person. Also, we need a standard measure of comparison. This sort of comparison by expressing one quantity as the number of times the other called a ratio. This sort of comparison by expressing one quantity as the number of times the other is called a ratio. Ratio is denoted by two dots. This symbol can be written as is to. For example, 3:5. Ratio is denoted by two dot. It can be written as is to. For the example of 3:5. So 3:5 can be written as 3:5. Okay. Now we see the some notes of the ratio. A ratio is a comparison of two quantities. A ratio is a comparison of two quantities. A ratio can be written as the fraction. Ratios are mostly written in the simplest form. Okay. So listen, students. Now we see one example. The ratio of rice to water in terms of the number of cups can be written in the three different ways as 1:2. Rice to water 1:2 or 1/2. 1:2. See here given ratio, and the ratio can be written as in the fraction type. So 1/2 or 1:2. 1:2. Okay. Now we see the ratio of properties. Properties of ratio. Now we see the properties of ratio. A ratio has no unit. It's a number. For example, the ratio of 8 km to 4 km is written as 8:4 is equal to 8:4. Okay. Already I told a ratio are often expressed as fraction in the simplest form. So a ratio can be written as in the simplest form. So 8:4. So 8 divided by 4. How will you write? 2 4s are 8 and 1 4s are 4. So 2:1 and not 2 kilometer is to 1 kilometer. So in ratio we can return in number only. So don't write in the unit in ratio. Okay. So next one, the two quantities of a ratio should be of the same kind. The ratio of 4 km to 400 meter. 4 km to 400 meter is expressed as 4 kilometers can be written as 4,000 meter. So first we change in two quantities in one same unit. So 4 km can be written as 4,000 and 4,000 is to 400. Okay, 4,000 is to 400. Next we write in the simplest form. So 10 into 400 4,000 and 1 into 400 400. So 10:1. Next, each number of a ratio is called a term. Each number of a ratio is called a term. Order of the terms in a ratio cannot be reversed. Order of the terms in a ratio cannot be reversed. So listen, students. Here 4,000 is to 400 can be written as 10:1. So here 1:10 is not do not write. Okay.